Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you step by step how you can set up automatic backups of your files and folders to your cloud backup on iDrive using the iDrive desktop application. So let us get started. Now guys, if you want to give iDrive the command to perform or to conduct these backups automatically so that you don't have to do this manually, there are two ways how you can make this happen through the desktop application of iDrive. So option number one would be to enable the backup scheduling and to set up a scheduling plan for your backups. And option number two would be to enable the continuous data protection feature. We're going to talk about that in the latter part of this tutorial. So option number one, scheduling your backups. To do that, launch the iDrive desktop application. You may set up a scheduling also through the web application, but it is easier through the desktop application, I believe. So head over to the scheduler here. And yeah, let me just save these changes. So what you want to do, guys, is schedule your backup here. For instance, you may set up a backup start time. For example, let me go with 11:45 a.m. something like that. You may also set up backup start days. Let me just close this pop-up here. So what you want to do, guys, is select days of the week you would like to perform these backups automatically by iDrive, to have your files and folders from the included folder on your device be backed up and loaded to your cloud backup and to be saved there. Like for example, specific days of the week. To do that, disable the daily feature and select the given days like Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays. Alternately, guys, if you'd like to have these backups made or be conducted every single day of the week, simply select daily and select your backup start time. You may also select an hourly scheduling, a cutoff time, and give iDrive the command to send you email notifications as well as desktop notifications, and so on and so forth. So that's how you set up an automatic backup scheduling. Don't forget to save your changes. And option number two, guys, would be to enable the continuous data protection feature. To do that, head over to settings here, and you may enable it there. Just a quick word of explanation, guys. This feature here, continuous data protection, will give iDrive the permission to backup files and folders in your included folder on your device automatically every time there have been made changes to these files, so that you don't have to do that manually all the time or wait for the next backup to be performed on the next day, for example. So if you enable this feature, guys, iDrive will simply scan the given file once the given file has been edited or there have been made changes to the file in the included folder on your device, and it will automatically upload the most recently changed file with all its recent edits and changes to your cloud backup, so that you don't have to bother with that anymore. You can set a frequency here like real time, every 10 minutes or every hour, and that's basically it, guys. Again, don't forget to save your changes, and that's how it works. That's how you set up automatic backups on iDrive. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.